Hi everybody, I'm Mrs. Chitra Gopinath. Welcome to the Grammar Post channel. Let's start with today's word and then move on to the topic. The word is stupendous, which means amazing, astonishing and awesome. And the root word of this particular word is stupor, which means to be stunned. And we often use words like awesome and amazing. Today, let's try using the word stupendous in sentences. She looks stupendous in that dress. What a stupendous view from the balcony. Yes, and words like incredible, exceptional and fantastic can also be substituted for the word stupendous. Now, look at this picture. What does this picture portray? Who looks beautiful? Whose smile looks cute? Whom do you admire in this picture? Which of these characters do you represent? Now, you must have gathered answers for all these questions. What did you notice in these question sentences? Yes, they begin with words like who, whom, whose, which and what. These are pronouns. Therefore, the pronouns which are used in asking questions are called interrogative pronouns. And the pronoun who, whom and whose refer to persons. The pronoun which refers to persons and things. The pronoun what refers to persons, things, professions, occupations, ideas, etc. Sometimes the pronouns like who, whom, which and what are used as the object of prepositions or the object of verbs. For example, for who are you looking? It can also be asked as who are you looking for? Second, to whom did you give the scooter? Or whom did you give the scooter to? Number 3, to what are you referring? Or what are you referring to? And the last question, to which category you belong or which category you belong to? Well, today's topic about interrogating pronouns must have been interesting and clear to all of you. Prove yourself awesome by frequently interrogating using all these question pronouns, because you know the skill of questioning will always improve your fluency. So keep trying till we meet in the next video with another interesting pronoun. Do remember to like, share and subscribe this channel and post your doubts if any in the comment section. Thank you.